Hey guys, so today we are prepping for Hurricane Irma and then Jose after that. So right now I'm going to Walmart and then I'm going to pack. This is my hurricanes coming look, and I'm a mom who hasn't had any sleep, so wish us luck. Got what I needed. A cooler for breast milk and insulin. No one's really here, which is surprising. But yeah, I'm sure all the water is gone. Let's go check. I don't need water, but let's just check anyways. Alright, so I didn't film the water because there was actually surprisingly a lot of water. So I didn't feel like it was necessary to do that. I am done and now I'm driving home. Baby girl's sleeping in the car and yeah, that's what's going on. We are evacuating the Hurricane Irma. We're going to, actually, I'm not going to tell you where we're going to go. You'll find out later. Yeah, so we have baby girl in the car, we have Aurora. Car in the car. There's really bad traffic because of everyone evacuating. So yeah, I don't know how long it'll take us to get where we're going, but hopefully somewhat soon. So I'll keep you updated.
Go back to you. Put this in like a little clip.
What?
Well, here she is, guys. Ladies, gents, the most beautiful girl in the world. My lovely wife. I love you.
I love you. Look at these houses. I guess we're staying in like a mansion's pool house, so I guess that's pretty cool. Look at these. They're crazy. This is absolutely insane. Look at this pool. So cool. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Oh my god, this is so
Do 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 do. You gonna puke on me? Too much laughing? Do 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 do. Say mama, I want to nap.
Alright, we're going to get some pizza to take home and then we're gonna go home and eat it. If you want to see something pretty, you should look at this place at night. It's crazy. Here, I'll show you. This place is seriously so beautiful. We're so lucky to be able to stay here. So now I'm gonna go inside and eat some pizza. is 11:30 and baby girl is asleep. So we are signing off for the night. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Bye.